Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. Ish's bike is done and on its way back to Texas. It's kind of cool that clients ship us bikes from all over the country, but it kind of sucks not being there when they get to listen to it for the first time. It's just an awesome feeling when you work really hard on something and you get to see the look on their face when they play it and they hear their favorite song and the bass drops. Because our bikes sound really good on YouTube, but they sound way better in person. So check out the bike. Sucks that he wasn't be able to pick it up personally, but he'll probably see this video before he gets his hands on the bike. This is what we got for him. The bike got an NVS Audio Stage 3 high power. So it was Sound Digital Evo X 800.4, powering the uppers and the lowers, and the Hertz 690 Neos and the lids. We did a set of Hertz 200L mid-bass drivers, 8-inch in the saddlebags. And since it's a high power setup, we did a 1600.1 with the new Dubie's bass knob with the clip indicator mounted in the factory auxiliary switch location. And to be able to handle all that power, we upgraded the battery to a Braille lithium. Bike came out amazing.
I'm a big time nigga, yeah. Pull a trigger, yeah. I'm playing the football, yeah. Playing feeling, yeah. I'm saying more, yeah. Out the hood, yeah. Letting you down the school, yeah. It's all good, yeah. Got a nigga screaming, Lord, yeah. On the hard, yeah. Let's move down the broad, yeah. I'm on the broad, yeah. I'm gonna do a trick, yeah. On the dick, yeah. You claiming you want a bitch, yeah. That ain't shit, yeah. The nigga with the money, yeah. On that gunny, yeah. Got birds in the money, yeah. About 100, yeah. Girl, you look good. Want you back that ass up. So fine, motherfucker, want you back that ass up. Over that daddy when you back that ass up. On the woods you playing with, back that ass up. Girl, you look good. Want you back that ass up. You a fine motherfucker, want you back that ass up.
When I was young, if I said to my mum I was going to go to a snooker hall, she'd probably kick me around the ears. Bad places, you know, misspent youth, all those type of phrases. But the reality is, it's just ordinary blokes.